If you wish to manage approvals through security, so actually preventing people from approving emails and approving campaigns, you can set this up. Firstly, you need to get one of your admins to log into Marketo. Once you're logged in as an admin, go to the admin section. You'll need to go to the section of users and roles, and then you'll need to go to roles. Now you'll notice there's a variety of roles here. So you'll need to distinguish between, for example, someone who can approve and someone who's a standard user. So for example, if we were to say the marketing user is the one that can approve emails and campaigns and the standard user cannot, then we need to lock down what the standard user can do. So if we click on the standard user role, you'll need to click edit role. If you want to lock down whether they can approve emails or not, you'll need to go to Design Studio, click on the access email and untick the approve email, and then click save. Similarly, if you want them not to be able to actually execute and approve campaigns, you'll need to go to the access marketing activities and then untick the approve email program. This way, a standard user will be able to create drafts of emails, create campaigns, but not be able to approve them, and therefore not able to execute campaigns in Marketo. This is a rather severe way to lock down the approvals process, but may be appropriate for your company and requires admin access to set this up.